Cesar-Shop here, Henry. We're going to show you some pistol bags today. So the different models we have and their features are going to be shown. This one sturdy zipper and place inside for magazine and pistol inside. Zip it up, and you got your pistol bag. This one is a bit softer than the other models, so it would fit if it's in a corner in your bag or whatever. It's a bit more bendable. Now, for other bags, we have competitive edge dynamics. Inside, just space for your pistol. And outside is, for instance, space for your magazines and some other stuff, for instance your papers, documents, or your phone. An easy bag, small, nice, good zippers, quality material. Now for the other bag that we want to show you, we got from the same company a bit more stiffer bag. This one has inside this pocket and of course space for enough magazines, a quality zipper, some space for your papers. Outside we've got this kind of molar system where you can hang things on, and on this side also. Inside this pocket there is even a little extra pocket. So this is what we have for pistol bags. You want to go to a flight, you can't use these. At a plane, you'll be asked to use a case. And this kind of case is lockable. When it's locked, it is tight locked with a watertight, and when you go up or down with your plane, the pressure inside can change so much that you will not be able to open it if you wouldn't have this decompression button. Of course, watertight, very important. When the plane falls into the water, this one survives. But then you can arrange everything what's inside. You can put two pistols in, and the padlocks you can put on, which even the customs can open, so they will check if everything is alright. So that's it for today, what we want to show you from those pistol bags from Cesar-Shop, and see you soon again. Maybe at our shop, or maybe on the range.